Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the top 5 best RC cars of 2026. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or just someone who loves fast cars and off-road fun, this guide will help you pick the perfect RC car. We'll cover specs, performance, pros, cons, and user tips, and I'll also share which car is best for racing, off-road adventures, or casual fun. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. RC Cooler WLtoys 144011 1/14th 4WD RC car. Scale 1/14th 4WD off-road. Max speed 43 mph. Upgraded hardware WLtoys 144001 V2. Multifunctional lighting design. The WLtoys 144011 is an entry to mid-level off-road RC car. At 43 mph, it's fast for its scale. The upgraded hardware makes it durable, so it handles rough terrain and jumps well. The lighting system adds a fun touch during evening runs. Personally, the lights flickering when it hits bumps really enhances the experience. Pros: fast and exciting. Durable for rough terrain. Functional lighting. Cons: battery life could be better. Slightly advanced for beginners. Use a high-capacity battery or a spare pack to extend playtime. Run it on smooth dirt or brass tracks for best speed. Quick question: if you had to pick one RC car just for speed, would this be your choice? Comment below. Number 2. ARRMA TLR-tuned Typhon 6S 4WD BLX Buggy. Scale 1/8 4WD. 6S high-performance motor. Battery and charger sold separately. Color options: red, blue. The ARRMA Typhon 6S is a serious off-road racing machine. 6S power gives incredible acceleration, and 4WD ensures tight control on rocky or uneven terrain. Beginners might find it tricky at first, but for hobbyists who enjoy tuning, it's perfect. Pros: extreme speed and performance, precise handling on rough terrain, built for off-road racing. Cons: battery and charger not included. Pair it with quality 6S LiPo batteries and a good charger for peak performance. This buggy can survive jumps and rough tracks. Who has tried 1/8 scale buggies before? Comment below. Number 3. Crowball RLAARLO 1-10 brushless RC car. Top speed 40 plus mph. Oil-filled shocks ready to run. RTR. The Crowball RLAARLO is a high-speed brushless buggy. Oil-filled shocks give smooth suspension over bumps, making it feel like a full-size off-road truck. It's ready to run so you can start racing immediately. Great for hobbyists who want speed and stability without complicated setup. Pros: over 40 mph top speed. Smooth off-road handling. RTR ready. Cons: slightly heavy for 1-10 scale. Price may be steep for beginners. Upgrading to off-road tires improves traction dramatically. If you could race this buggy on sand, dirt, or grass, which would you choose? Comment below. Number 4. HOSHIPLAY 1-12 4WD brushless RC truck. Scale 1-12 4WD. Brushless motor, 3S rechargeable battery. The HOSHIPLAY 4WD truck is fast, durable, and reliable. Brushless motors last longer and perform better than brushed motors. 4WD ensures control on rough terrain. Slightly advanced, so beginners may want to start with a smaller model. Perfect for experienced RC enthusiasts. Pros: powerful brushless motor. Durable 4WD performance. Fast and responsive. Cons: limited battery life, slightly challenging for beginners. Keep a spare 3S battery and experiment with different tires for better traction. Number 5. Hypergo H16PL 1-16 RTR Fast Brushless RC Buggy. Scale 1-16 4WD. max speed 38 mph, battery 2S 2000 milliamps included. The HyperGo H16PL is compact, nimble, and fun, perfect for smaller spaces like indoor tracks or tight backyard courses. Brushless motor efficiency makes it smooth and responsive, RTR ready. Pros: compact and agile, fast for racing, battery included. Cons: limited stability at extreme speeds, limited battery runtime, best for casual racing on smooth surfaces. Alright, that wraps up our review of the top product for 2026. I hope you found it helpful in deciding which one's right for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Also, let me know in the comments which product is your favorite or if you've tried any of these yourself. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.